So this video is about the Airtire Pro from Trikit. And I told you guys I was gonna make a video, a dedicated video about this to show you guys what is it about. Coincidentally, I had a flat tire. Well, not really a flat tire, but then a tire that is actually leaking air. So I'm gonna use this to show you guys how it works. I haven't opened this up by the way, so you're gonna see it firsthand just like I do right now. I'm gonna open this up, and that wheel is the one that is leaking air right now. So let's see. When you open this box up, the first thing that you notice is a whole stack of, I think it's manual and a thank you card. The main thing about this kit is this sealant and the air tire compressor. So how do you use this? Let's figure this out together. It's my first time opening this package. You get different attachments, so you can pump balls as well, I guess. Motorbike. And balloon? Is this for balloon? Okay, anyway, the main thing for the usage of this thing is actually for tire. It's supposed to help you if you're stranded anywhere. I doubt you can actually put this back nicely after you open this. It's okay. Oh, it's really neat though, the way they tie this up. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so it's really long. Wait, let me like untangle this. So I assume you just power it up with your 12 volts. Oh, use this one. Okay, but I think you need to turn on the car first, right? But you haven't attached which head to use anyway. The attachment. Oh yeah. There's an on-off switch there. Oh, so you can just plug it in. Just plug this in first. Alright, just plug this in. Oh, one thing though, there's no lights to indicate that it's plugged in, but you can just test the pump out lah. Oh, there is here. The light wasn't on right just now? No. Yeah. So this shows you that it's attached. Wait. Okay. So which one is the one that's for tire? Really? Just try this. Okay, anyway, before I start, right, this whole kit is called Airtire Pro. Why is it called Pro? Is because it comes with a sealant. This sealant is supposed to help you, to seal any leakage. If you hit a nail and it's leaking, you can use this sealant. What you do is that you see this attachment right here. It fits to this particular slot, and just put it there, and then you turn it. And this side actually goes to the tire. This side, you attach it, you screw it on to this particular attachment that is available here. And you just, but we are not going to use this because it's an old tire. We are changing it soon. Yeah. It's supposed to be like that. Screw it on. Try and see if it works. I think it works. Yeah. So you just screw it on. Let's turn it on. So I guess it works, right? It is inflated. It is. Yeah.
At least it's not stick close to the power house.
Oh, it's a bit warm here. So you just unscrew it. Voila, you're done. The pump is a bit hot, but I guess it works.
It takes quite a while.
But then when you have nothing around you, no petrol station or whatever, and you really need something, this is really useful, right? So we're back inside. Let's take a proper look at what you get if you purchase this Airtire Pro set. Before I start, I want to answer some questions that you guys possibly would ask. Like, yes, you have to plug it into the cigarette plug, the 12-volt socket basically, and turn the car on. You have to leave the car on in order to use this particular pump, this compressor. Other than that, I also have to turn off the pump manually. Like just now, like I showed you guys, I actually wanted the pump to 35 psi, so I just manually stop it once it reached that level. You just turn on and off through this switch, by the way. And if you were to use this particular sealant to seal any leaks from nail puncture, you are advised to actually drive the car at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour, or equivalent to 50 miles per hour. And as it is said here, this pump can be used for cars, bicycles, motorcycles, balls, and other inflatables. It's just a manual compressor, but from the looks of it, it is actually very well built, and you can use this pump multiple times. The only thing is that this sealant can be used once, obviously, so you would have to purchase a refill. So let's just take a look at the other stuff that you get, which I didn't really show you guys just now. By the way, it's in a mess right now because give you some time to actually put it back in later. Sealant, and basically the sticker, this is just to remind you that you have used the sealant on one of your tires, and it is to advise you to drive at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour. It's just a reminder. Stick it on your steering. You also get another sticker to remind which tire that you use the liquid sealant on. So you just paste it on the wheel cap. And this is a manual, which comes in English and Mandarin. So this is the company again, Trikit. Thanks for supporting our mission to provide OEM quality automotive safety products at honest prices. So there's a contact number here. Well, I'll leave all their social media accounts in the description, as well as their contact number. And last but not least, I showed you guys just now as well, you get 3 different attachments for the head. I don't know whether you can see clearly, but this one is for the any balls, if you want to inflate any balls or inflatables. This is for inflatables. You can use it for balloon as well, but the main primary use of this is for vehicles, by the way. And last but not least, the cost of this particular Airtire Pro set. So this particular set is actually the Airtire Pro, which comes with a sealant. You can also purchase the pump by itself, which is listed as Airtire on the website. So everything will be in the link, by the way. If you were to buy the pump by itself, it's 190. If you were to purchase this whole set, it's 250. But they actually made special arrangements, and there is a link at the top of my description, which if you were to click into it, you can purchase this set for 200 and not 250. So you get a 50 ringgit off this particular set. Now I think that's a pretty good deal for something that would potentially save your life. Imagine if you are stranded out of nowhere, like you're going outstation to somewhere really secluded, and you have flat tire, a puncture, you know what I mean. Basically this would save you from that sort of situation. So whether you're just gonna purchase the Airtire or the Airtire Pro with the sealant, you're gonna get some discount, but my discount link is just applicable for this particular product on Trikit's website. So yeah, this is specifically for the Airtire. So remember, if you want to get this, get it through the link down in the description. It will be at the top. So if you guys have any more questions about this Airtire Pro product, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And once again, thank you very much to Trikit, the company that kindly sent me a unit of this awesome product, which I believe it's actually a very useful product one. So thank you once again. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, I'm actually having trouble getting this whole bunch of wire in. No. But then I found this sticker, German OEM standards.